And beloved brother and sister, I greet you in the name of the Lord. I would like us to reflect on the essence of making material wealth here on earth. All over the ages, it's observed that man goes to any extent to amass wealth, to make material acquisitions. Some go into all kinds of things, positive, negative, right, wrong, approved, unapproved. People do all kinds of things, imaginable and unimaginable, to amass wealth. And one wonders why man is so crazy as long as amassing wealth is concerned. Man can kill, man can practice rituals, get into cultism, all kinds of criminal acts, so as to make and acquire some wealth. But this is what people even before us have described as vanity upon vanity. Solomon, in the entire book of Ecclesiastes, referred to the acquisitions of this life as vanity upon vanity. We all know the number of wives and women that Solomon experienced or related within his lifetime. All of them, then silver and gold, he described all of them as vanity upon vanity. In the scriptures, Luke chapter 12, 16 to 21, we know about that man, Jesus Christ, described as the rich fool. The rich fool. He had everything, but he had no knowledge of God. He had no regard, or neither did he reverence God. Had no space or time for godliness in his life, but he had every other thing. We still remember that rich man in the days of Lazarus. He had everything here on earth, but when life came to an end, he found himself in hellfire, agonizing, while Lazarus, who had nothing here on earth, he was a sickler, he was a pauper, yet he found himself resting at the bosom of Abraham. So it becomes a challenge. One wonders why we would allow ourselves to be so carried away by making wealth by all means, by fair or foul means. Christians are not spared, churches are not spared, believers and unbelievers are not spared. People are ready to kill so as to acquire, inherit, and take over what belongs to them or what does not belong to them. Yet, at a certain point in time in life, one comes to an end. Life expires, one dies, abandoning all these things, not knowing what happens to them again. So why would we allow ourselves to be so crazy and carried away by the mundane things of this life? Once we close our eyes in death, all that we've acquired could be managed or mismanaged against our wishes and wills. Even when we have done our wills are still, not allowed to prevail. Well, why you consider that life will surely come to an end someday, sometime? Jesus Christ said, what shall it profit a man? Matthew 16:26, when as he gains the whole earth and loses his soul. Let's bear in mind that there is eternity in heaven and eternity in hell. When we die, we would either find ourselves in hell or heaven. It's better to go to heaven poor than to go to hell rich, and having acquired so much here on earth, and by so doing, as we reflect on this, as we think about this, we will need to adjust and reconsider the speed and the rate with which we want to acquire the earthly things of this life. May the Lord give you satisfaction, give you fulfillment, and bless us, so that whatever little we lay our hands upon will be enough for us. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.